Correct? So I am asking you, do you agree that the author of this Quran is the inventor, is the maker of this universe?
No, because I believe, I assume.
It is not the question of assumption. I asked so many questions.
Yeah.
You kept on giving the answer. But 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, agreed. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6, you agree. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8, you agree. No, but 2 plus 2 is not equal to 4. You already said 2 plus 2 is equal to 4.
I don't know who wrote Quran.
Fine, but I'm not asking who wrote. Who could have mentioned it? You agree with it has to be the creator. You don't know the name. I'm not asking you the name. I'm telling you about the entity. Name is not important.
So you believe there's an entity that created the world? Just 1 minute, just 1 minute.
Wait.
Yeah.
I don't believe, whether I believe or not is not important. You agreed with it. That entity you called as the creator, sustainer, you called as the cherish, so you called as the creator, as the manufacturer. Let's not jump to a second question. Whether I agree or not is irrelevant now. You said that. And I proved with your statement, what you call him is secondary.
With all due respect, please don't put words in my mouth.
You said, didn't you say creator?
Not
Didn't
in
you
this
say
context.
inventor for the car?
For the car. Yeah, it was context specific.
Something which you don't know about. Who would say? Again you went to the same answer. The inventor, the manufacturer.
Yeah.
So this also, the author has to be the same. When you say A plus B, A plus 2 is equal to 4, A becomes A plus 2 is equal to 4. So A is equal to
2.
2 you minus from here, 4 minus 2, A is equal to 2. No, but I never said it is equal to 2. But you agreed A plus 2 is equal to 4. So as a scientist, I have to agree with you. You said A is equal to 2. That means you don't know maths, so it's not worth talking about science. You agreed with it that the person is the creator. It's being recorded on so many cameras. I think more than 25 cameras. And you are saying I'm putting words in your mouth. Now you are laying allegation against me. As though I'm telling a lie. But am I telling a lie?
I'm not saying that.
So it is simple. It's simple equation. If you cannot believe in this equation, then what is the discussion? What is the use of talking about science? That means you're not a student of science also. Leave us as scientists. You have to agree what you say. If you backtrack, then you are wasting time here. If you made a mistake, you say you made a mistake. If you agree, you have to agree. You can't just because you are being proved something which you didn't want to be proved, that means you're not truthful to yourself. That means you're shooting and then drawing the bullseye. You understand? If you got the answer by a technique I used using science, now because the answer is so easy, you are not accepting it. Because it goes against your assumption. In science, if the experiment goes against your assumption, you change your assumption. Right or wrong?
Right.
So why are you changing your assumption? That means you're not a scientist. You can make an assumption, you do experiment, if it matches your assumption, it is right. If it doesn't match, you change your assumption. So do you change your assumption or not?
I believe the creator are natural forces.
Forget which force it is. There is a creator or not is my question. What do you want to discuss first? Point number 1, we have to believe there is a creator. Finish.
In an abstract sense, yes.
Whether abstract or physical we'll discuss tomorrow. Is there a creator or not?
But then the question is
There a... Don't ask me a second question, please. You are the longest we have given you time. Don't take advantage of, because there are so many people standing in the queue there. Let's not waste time. I want to finish it within less than a minute.
Okay, fine.
Is there a creator or not? Do you agree, yes or no? Whether abstract or not, we'll discuss tomorrow. Tomorrow means not tomorrow. Tomorrow means if you want to discuss, inshallah, in my cabin after the lecture gets so 11 o'clock onwards, no problem. For 1 hour, 2 hours, 5 hours, 10 hours, I will give you time. After 11 p.m. Done? That means we believe there's a creator. This creator, what we call in Arabic, we'll discuss after. We Muslims in Arabic call as Allah. Some people call as God. So now when you know the true picture of the God, the false picture is removed. So now there is no God but Allah. And what is the more details of Allah? You can see my DVDs. I'll give it to you. On the concept of God in various religions. That will give you more knowledge. And my cassette is the Quran God's Word. I request the volunteers to give him a DVD of Is the Quran God's Word. Then we'll discuss more qualities of God after. Hope that answers the question.
Sure. Thank you.